Hello, it's Andrew, Burncoose Nurseries, and now we're in the Camellia liner tunnel, and we're in amongst some very, very large Camellia liners, perhaps some of the largest that I've seen in the 25 years I've been here. This one's Firebird, well-rooted, really large liner for a plant that's only been growing in this pot for about 10 or 11 months. Now, a couple of things happened to this plant before and after it was potted. It was left in the propagation bench maybe a week or two longer than usual. That's one thing. And the second thing is there was a conscious effort that when we planted this and all our other Camellia liners, we ensured that we didn't plant it too deep. And we planted it where the stem of the plant met the roots. We planted it at that level. And it's very important that when you plant a plant, you don't plant it too deep. It can attract rot. And in this circumstance, although this wouldn't attract rot if you planted it too deep, what this has allowed the plant to do is access that little bit more of the compost area and feed that's below it. So the plant was planted at this level, and it has all that for the root to grow in, as opposed to it for being planted at that level, only a little bit deeper, but you're losing perhaps 25% of that compost area for it to utilize and to grow into. Very interesting, but very nice plants.